You saw me building alone. You saw the peace, the routines, the soft life moments. But you didn't always see the weight. The hardest part is carrying all of it and still becoming her. People think the hardest part is the silence, but sometimes the silence is where I can finally breathe. Silence has become where I hear myself again after years of being strong for everyone else. Quiet has become medicine, but peace doesn't mean that there's no pressure. When you live alone, every decision comes home with you. And the hardest part is knowing that if something needs to be handled, you are the one handling it. The bills, the appointments, the work, the wellness, the healing, the emotional resets. There's no one coming behind you to say, girl, I got it. And I'm not saying that from pity. I'm saying it because women know what it feels like to carry quietly. Some days before you do one more thing, you have to sit still and gather yourself. Living alone after 50 has taught me that emotional resets aren't optional. Becoming her requires honesty. It requires admitting when you're tired without calling yourself weak. It requires learning how to comfort yourself without abandoning yourself. The weight doesn't mean I'm failing. It means I'm trusted with my own life. Every meal I make, every walk I take, every bill I pay, every prayer I whisper is proof that I'm still showing up. Not perfectly, and not always gracefully, but I'm showing up honestly. What I've learned is becoming her is creating a life that can hold your softness and your responsibility. Peace has to be protected, not just desired, love. The hardest part is not that the house is quiet. That's a gift. Home has become the safe space, the steady space. the soft space, and the strongest space all at once. And that's a lot. So if no one has told you lately, I see you, love. Living alone is not the end of your story. For some of us, it's where we finally met the woman we were becoming all along. If you're rebuilding, healing, choosing peace, or becoming her too, subscribe and walk this journey with me, love.